So it's just mainly a home and school site to give our information of things that we need. Um, Obviously, if you click here, it goes right back to the normal school site. Down here, it clicks to contact us. These are the things that we're on, minus Instagram. Up here are the headings of things, kind of reiterated down here. Home, right where we're at. You can meet us, go to where our meetings are, understand about volunteering, find our calendar of events, information on new things, and pay for things. All of these can be individual links that are put into the Wednesday envelope easily. I'll just go the long way. Meeting us, who we are. I only have a whole bunch of me right now because I just duplicated it. And so this would be hopefully the whole board, assuming everybody would be happy doing that. News and meetings. News, basically just the new things that are happening. Digital sign. You have a new way to pay. You can RSVP for events easily and new events that we're doing. All of these buttons will take you to those things. Let's just try it. Look at RSVPing for events. It takes you to the events page, and I might change that, but new way to pay. It takes you to our new store where you can pay for something easily. So let's say we want to pay for Bingo Bash tickets and options. You'd be able to go on here, pay for a ticket or for the pizza, and pay for it. Photos coming soon for the digital sign. Meeting information gives information on the meetings, the 3 meetings that we will have. The first meeting, what it is. The second meeting is a meet and mingle. And the third meeting will have a speaker. 3 meetings explaining why it's only 3 and not 4. And raffle criteria. That's also somewhat on the first page. Volunteering explains literally why we think it's important, that it's required, about being a chair, flexible options, how many events do you need to do, and clearances. I'm going to increase the font size on those since I didn't notice how small it was. This, every time you hit it, will take you to the side of Genius. You can also go to the side of Genius that way, or to find out about the clearances at the school thing, whatever. That's because their clearance is down. To find out back to what the school has there for clearances. Calendar, probably the most fun part of all, so it's very well stated. Here you can find a calendar of events. You can add any event to your personal calendar. The ones with the RSVP buttons, you can electronically RSVP to. To check out the whole list you can RSVP to, you can hit here. So let's just check that. You can RSVP to movie night. And Trunk or Treat, this is just pretending that we have this up. So let's just say we're going to RSVP to Trunk or Treat. If we are selling tickets, you will have the ability to pay for the ticket right here, which will be part of your RSVP. Family name, added, families that are joining, and email. Boom. Done. Here, you can see that we have the pre-K and kindergarten picnic. If you hit on this, you can add it to any one of your calendars on your phone or your computer with updates. The movie night, that's one that we want an RSVP to, so I have it directly to RSVPing. Hit on there. These will all, for the chairs, be electronically able to download into a CSV file and hand over a list of those who are The calendar can be in this agenda format. You can also look at it as a month if that's how you feel like doing it. Well, this will have to move. So we'll have another one that you can look at as a month, and when you look at it monthly, it will come up like this. Again, excuse this button that I need to move. Or you can look at it through the day, and again, you can add this all to your personal calendar. Payments, I'm debating on whether or not each one gets its own tag under here. But generally speaking, you have payments. You can pay for your home and school dues. You can pay for hot dog day. You can pay for Philly Swirl. You can look at the whole store. All of these can be linked to anything else that we need to pay for. I have CYO here since I think a lot of parents probably come to find out information about CYO through parent things. You can click on this and it takes you to CYO's site. And then lastly, I have a feedback, which will also have a contact us. So I have another half an hour's worth of work to do on some of these things. Feedback, it comes back anonymously. And you can do a complaint, a suggestion, a question, or a compliment. That is quickly